Hello, YouTube community. This is Dr. Deborah Vereen. As you know, I am a family engagement influencer. The biggest part of my role in that capacity is writing. I share a lot of written content about the role family engagement plays in the lives of educators and parents. And I also focus on the benefits of family engagement in education for students. The bottom line is when parents and educators work as a team who's mutually dedicated to the needs and the educational experiences of children and youth, students perform much better. So students have a greater opportunity of embracing success when parents are engaged. I'm taking a break from my writing right now to talk to you about an additional service that I am providing. I am beginning my newsletter. My newsletter is called Ignite Family Engagement. My newsletter will be targeted to any educator and any parent leader, board of school director, as well as college students studying to become educators, so that they will be equipped with information to strengthen their capacity to build family engagement. So, with that in mind, I want to let you know that you can subscribe to my newsletter to receive a monthly copy. The price will be $10 per month, and I will be adding the link so that you can get the subscription information in the description box. Also, I'm going to elaborate a little more on my newsletter for you. So I want to encourage you to please take advantage of the information, all of the rich content that I will be providing for you in my newsletter. Again, called Ignite Family Engagement. Please take the time to like this video, share it, and also take the time to view other videos that I've prepared for you on this Ignite Family Engagement YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye for now.